Don't look the other way if your child is using AI on their college applications without watching this first. You might be surprised how AI can help or hurt their success. Here's the risk. First, using AI to create whole or large portions of an essay is considered academic dishonesty. And come on, it is. Think of it this way. At a Lady Gaga concert, you expect Gaga, not a lip-syncing understudy. The college essay is your kid's Super Bowl or Super Bowl halftime concert. They need to show up authentically. So if your teen decides to use AI, it's going to require some critical thinking about what's authentic and what's not. Many colleges warn about AI use in the Common App, very deep in the writing section. So from most, the message is, AI is fine for brainstorming and grammar checks. But how do colleges know if your teen is using AI for big parts of the essay? Right now, it's a gray area. Colleges are testing AI detectors, but they're unreliable and full of false positives. Before rejection, essays go to human review. AdCom members will consider writing grades and test scores to really assess if there's an anomaly. But AI changes are coming by the week, not the year. We might soon see embedded flagging of AI text or other detection that is more reliable. Still, I've seen clients spiral into anxiety over flags and detection software they're using on their own. My litmus test is, would you feel comfortable about the way you're using AI if an admissions officer was looking over your shoulder? If yes, you're fine. So if your teen says, I'm drowning, everyone's using AI, TikTok says it's easy, what should they do? Here's how AI can help. Organize the process. List all essay prompts, deadlines, and word counts. Feed into AI to spot overlapping essays that could be tweaked and repurposed for more than one school. Then export into a spreadsheet or project manager. Now your teen has a roadmap. Outlining. Feed in the essay question, prompt the AI for a possible structure or a couple, then get writing outside AI with personal details. Grammar check. Ask AI for suggested edits, then apply them yourself. Now, here's how AI can hurt. Don't feed personal info into AI. You're losing your privacy and risk losing your voice. Don't use AI for interview prep. I've talked to AdCom members who've seen or suspect applicants have memorized an AI prompt for their video submissions. No, authenticity is key. Don't fully trust AI for research. You and your teen must fact check. AI does hallucinate, I've seen this, and give outdated info. Finally, if your teen feels overwhelmed and thinks AI is the only answer to produce the quantity of essays needed, it may be time for a reassessment. Consider reducing the number of schools on their list, reorient towards researching fit, or practicing interview skills, which could give them the edge they're looking for. And if they'd like a professional to help with their essays, sign up for a free consultation with me or one of my colleagues at accepted.com, and don't miss the next video on how to help your teen write a strong college admissions essay.